Hi everyone, today we are going to learn what is a JavaScript function. So, what is a JavaScript function? Why use it? A function in JavaScript is a reusable block of code that performs a specific task. Instead of writing the same code again and again, we can write a function once and use it whenever we need. Functions help keep our code clean, organized, and efficient. So how to write a function in JavaScript? This is how you write a function in JavaScript. Function keyword followed by a function name followed by a parenthesis where we can pass inputs or parameters, and followed by pair of curly braces. Inside this function body, here we write code which will run when we call this function, like this. Now call this function. See, hello there. So what if you want to put your name here? How you can achieve that? You can achieve that using parameter. This is called parameter. Now when you call this function, if you pass your name, this message gets it. It will show your name. You can also pass default parameter. So if there is no value when you call the function, it will show this default value. But if we pass the value, the name which you pass, you can call this function multiple times. This block of code called function declaration. You can also return function. Return sends back value from the function. You can store that value in variable or use it directly. Now we will see how to write a function expression. There is a function declaration and also function expression. You write function expression like this. See, we didn't give any name of this function. It is an anonymous function, but it will work. This is a function expression. This is a function expression. Here the function is stored in a variable. You can call the function using that variable name like this. Modern version of JavaScript or ES6, there is another way you can write function which is called arrow function. This is how you write arrow function. So why use arrow functions? Arrow function shorter and cleaner syntax. You can also write this way. In online it also work. They don't have their own this useful in certain situations like object methods and or callback. Prefer it in modern JavaScript for a small task. Alright, that's it for today's lesson on JavaScript function. Thanks for watching.